HMD Connect global data roaming service. HMD Connect keeps you connected in more than 120 countries, paying only for what you need. Signing up via the app, you'll receive a SIM card to your home address and will have effortless control over your data plan. Starts as low as €9.95. It is a pleasure to announce that Nokia phones are coming very soon to a store near you in Brazil.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce to you world's first future-proof global smartphone, the all-new Nokia 8.3 5G. The new Nokia 8.3 5G features the highest number of 5G new radio bands from 600 MHz all the way to 3.8 GHz. The new Nokia 8.3 5G is packed with cutting-edge peer-view imaging technology, delivering a versatile imaging experience. The 64-megapixel sensor delivers extraordinary detail and sensitivity through pixel pinning technology. And you can capture close-ups in breathtaking detail using the macro camera. On top of that, we also deliver beautiful portraits with Zeiss bokeh effect, utilizing the depth sensor. All cameras are certified with Zeiss optics for outstanding results. Thanks to incredibly large 2.8 micron pixel size, the wide-angle camera delivers stunning results in low light with a towering strength, particularly in video. The new Nokia 8.3 5G will exclusively feature Zeiss Cinema experience, meaning that you can capture and edit videos in true Hollywood style. Zeiss Cinema allows you to shoot in 21:9 format in true cinematic color style experience that adaptively preserves visual quality wherever you go, regardless of your ambient light condition. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G modular platform, and it is fully ready to capitalize on the 5G networks of tomorrow. Will be available this summer at an average global retail price of €599. All new Nokia 5.3. Nokia 5.3 features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 mobile platform, which combined with our large battery and pure take on Android delivers on our signature promise of a 2-day battery life. Nokia 5 will be available later in April with the 464 memory configuration, priced at an average global retail price of just €189. Select from any of the 3 distinct colors: charcoal, cyan, or sand. The Nokia 1.3 runs on the latest Android 10 Go edition, all new Camera Go from Google. We've then further enhanced the imaging experience with our signature HDR AI low-light image fusion technology. The new Nokia 1.3 will be available in early April at an average global retail price of 95 euros. Legendary Nokia Express Music range.
We are proud to announce that Nokia phones have partnered with the 25th James Bond movie, No Time to Die. This will be our biggest marketing campaign ever to date. Partnership, we are launching a special edition 007 branded phone case for the Nokia 7.2 and 6.2. Look!
Okay, Google. Text T. Permission to engage. M, can I call you back?